Hi everyone, welcome back to this new episode for the Python object-oriented programming. And today we are going to focus on the static method. So we have been looking at the normal methods, the special method, and now this is a different type of methods. Those type, and the static and the next one that we will see, are always preceded by a decorator. A decorator is the @ mark and how to describe the method that will be, and each time a method or a function is preceded by the decorator, the behavior of the function changes. And in our static method, as soon as we add this decorator, the method doesn't need anymore the self argument, and this @ mark is a function decorator. So let's go to our example here at the class that we start building, and let's add a method. So at the same way, what we are going to do before declaring the method by using the def, we add the @ mark and add the static. So as soon we write it, this is a predefined decorator, and what we can do with a def, and this one check, let's call it is expensive, for example, and we don't need anymore the self. So what we add here is a normal argument. So let's say price, and we are checking if the price is expensive or not. So if price, let's say, is greater, just a moment, price greater than 10, maybe $10, then it's true. We return a true, like this, else it's false. Okay, and that's all. So that's the method, the static method that we do have right now. So it's a method that is not really connected with all the attributes and the of the object itself, but sometimes we need to have with us. So let's check this one here and go, let's print for book 1, for example, and check is expensive. Just a moment. Is expensive, like this, and we put for like 12, like this, and after that we print also for the second instance that we do have, the book due, which maybe is $8. So let's save and go to the Python, run the 005 OP program, and we do have an answer on that. So we didn't need for the static method to add the self. This is sometimes useful when we need to have a function that is not really connected with our object, but we still need some certain computation outside of the whole instance that we do have. That's all for this one. It's a simple one, but that we should know because it's a core thing for the object. And the next one, we are going also to take a look on the decorator, but not a static method, but it will be a class method, and it has a little bit more importance than this one. And so let's see it together. Thank you a lot.